Okay, so as promised, I'm going to work out all of the examples from the speed, time, and distance worksheet for you guys. So if you'd like to watch it to catch up or study or whatever. All right, so please remember that the formula for anything relating speed, time, and distance is D equals R times T, where D is the distance, T is the time, and R stands for rate. So that's the same thing as speed. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write down that formula, and then we're going to go grab the values out of our word problem. So a police car drives with a constant speed of 50 miles an hour, so that's my rate. So rate is 50 miles per hour. How long will it take to travel a distance of 25 miles? So well, that's my distance, 25 miles. And so now we're going to plug these values directly into our formula. So we'll have 25 equals rate times the unknown time. And so remember, to solve for t, it's 50 multiplied by t. So to get t by itself, we just want to divide on both sides by 50. And so time, so 25 divided by 50 is going to give me 1/2. And notice that we are working in hours, and it asked me how long will it take, and that's our time. So it'll take 1/2 of an hour. All right, so for the second one, exactly the same thing. So D times or equals R times T. And so here we have a rate or speed of 20 kilometers per hour. How long will it take? That means I don't know how long to travel a distance of 10 kilometers. So good news is we've got all matching units, kilometers and kilometers. And so let's take a look at plugging everything in. So that's going to be 10 is equal to 20 times t, which is unknown. So again, we're going to just divide by 20 on both sides. 10 divided by 20 is again going to give me 1/2. So that's 1/2 of an hour. Or you could also get 0.5, because they're just the same thing, fraction and decimal. Okay, so next one. A taxi hurries with a speed of 36 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to travel a distance of 90 kilometers? Well, we're running into the exact same thing. So we have kilometers and kilometers. That's going to be distance equals rate times time. So the distance is 90 kilometers. The rate is 36 kilometers per hour times the unknown time. So again, 90 divided by 36. 5/2 of an hour, that's a little easier to interpret, so 2.5 hours. All right, again, D equals RT. So John roller skates with a constant speed of 10 miles per hour, that's my rate. And how far can he travel in 2 hours? So this time I'm given the time and I'm looking for the distance. So distance is 20 miles. All right, an airplane flies with a constant speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour. How far can it travel in half an hour? D equals RT. So the distance is what we don't know. That's how far. So we'll leave that as a variable. And we're looking at a rate of 1,000 kilometers per hour. And they actually already have this in hours. So we'll just put the half in there. Now, if they had said 30 minutes, we would need to convert this to hours because hours have to match. In this case, it's already done for us. So 1,000 times 1/2 equals a distance of 500 kilometers. Okay, last but not least, D equals RT. So again, constant speed, that's R. So that's 80. How long, that's time. I don't know what that is. And a distance of 240. Divide on both sides by 80 to solve for the time T. 240 divided by 80 gives me 3 hours. And that's it. I hope this helped. See you guys tomorrow.